How to return on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will be learning how you can return on Mercari. And before I go further, I must let you know that returning items on Mercari is very tricky. In the sense that you cannot just easily return a product or an item without a valid reason. And if your reason is not accepted by the seller, the item would not be returned. So, for example, let's say you got an item. What do you need to do? Move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and then click on it. So, after clicking on that, a page should be displayed where you can see some options. Just scroll down and select my purchases. So, by selecting my purchases, you'll be redirected immediately to your others page where you would see all of the orders that you've made so far on the Mercari site or the Mercari application. And so once you can see that, you will see two tabs majorly: in progress, completed. Just go ahead and select completed. And so after selecting that, on the completed page, the next step is to locate the item that you would like to submit, that you would like to return, and then click on it. So after selecting the item, you'll be taken to the items orders page. And so on this page, you would see different options. All right, just go ahead and select request cancellation, and then a prompt will be displayed on the screen asking you to select the reason why you would like to cancel this particular request. And so after you've selected that, the form that you filled will be sent to the seller, and then if the seller accepts your reason, he or she would click accept, and Mercari would refund your money immediately. And then the process of how you can now return the product would be sent to you if it has been shipped already. But if the product has not been shipped, immediately Mercari refund your money and you are good to go. But if the seller refuses, then the next option will be for you to contact the help center. I move it to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines, scroll down, click on help center, and then you'll be directed to the help center's page where you would see articles addressing similar issues like the one that you've had. And then you also have a chance of contacting them directly by calling or by sending an email. So whichever way, you can just reach out to them, ask your question, and you are good to go. So this is how you can contact your customer service and how you can return products on Mercari. So thank you for watching, and I'm sure this video has helped you one way or the other. Have a nice shopping.